We are excited to celebrate you today. Your unwavering commitment to student success and your invaluable support for our teaching staff are the cornerstones of your exceptional contributions to Clean ISD.
Yes.
3 words to describe you are dedicated, enthusiastic, and caring.
Yes.
We are told by Principal Katy Bohannon who nominated you, that you are enthusiastically welcome everyone to our Iduma Ohana.
Yes. It makes me feel good because all my job, all my love, all my work that I do for the school, it makes me feel that people appreciate me. And we need to appreciate everybody because it takes a village to take care of the school, because the teachers, whether the teachers, the crossing guards, the people from the kitchen, the principal, the administrators, it takes all of us to come as a team to make sure our school is okay.
And your pride for the campus is evidenced by the care you give each and every day.
Yes.
When she opens the front door each morning, she gives an enthusiastic welcome to all who enter and is often found attending campus events and supporting Iduma students. So Mrs. Bohannon shares Mrs. C is an important part of the fabric of Iduma. We are so grateful to have Mrs. C, and we thank her for taking such good care of us and our school.
I love it.
But we're excited to be here today to share this celebration with you. Your work each day significantly contributes to the mission of supporting student success. So we take this time to say thank you to you today. The STILL Award, beautiful, heavy STILL Award, is an acronym, so when you look at the STILL, for supporting the education and empowerment of learners. Today we have the privilege of naming you as our most recent recipient and someone who goes consistently the extra mile to support our students. I want to give my heartfelt thanks to you. This will be on our website for everyone to see. And we get to celebrate you.
I love my staff and I love my kids. I thank you, Jesus, that the parents, they respect me. I treat everybody the same way. We are all Ohana. So like this year when Miss Bohannon asked me, hey Missy, can we do our theme Ohana? I felt excited because everybody that come here, I tell them we are family, we Ohana.